Here's the big secret about Bitcoin. Nobody puts it on the thumbnail. It's not a cheat code to skip the line. It's a slow, stubborn piece of technology that trades convenience today for credibility forever. Let me myth bust a few things fast, then I'll give you the clean takeaway. Myth 1. Bitcoin is a company or a stock. It's not. No CEO, no customer support, no quarterly earnings. It's a protocol, rules running on thousands of computers. You opt in, or you don't. Myth 2. It's backed by nothing, it's backed by math and incentives. Supply capped at 21 million, no committee can print more. Miners spend real energy to secure transactions, boring by design. Myth 3. Fees and speed make it useless. Base layer is conservative. Think digital granite. It prioritizes finality and neutrality over speed. Layers like Lightning handle fast, cheap payments, then settle to the base. Myth 4. ETFs changed everything. They changed access, not Bitcoin. The protocol doesn't care if you bought an ETF. The trade-off is control. No keys, someone else holds them. Myth 5. Energy bad, therefore Bitcoin bad. Energy use is real. Miners seek cheapest power, stranded off-peak, renewable. Miners act like industrial batteries, absorb excess, shut down when needed. It's messy, but it's trending smarter, not dumber. So what's the actual secret? Bitcoin is about opting into rules you can verify. Trade convenience now for predictability later. Here's the clear takeaway. Treat Bitcoin like infrastructure, not a lottery ticket, scarce by code. Scarcity brings volatility. Expect big swings. Decentralized. Fewer shortcuts, more personal responsibility. Transparent, every move on a public ledger, no do-overs, it's optional. If its rules solve your problem, cross-border value, inflation hedging, self-custody, use it. If not, skip it. Want a practical lens? Ignore predictions. Watch fundamentals. Hash rate, distribution, development. How many people actually self-custody? Narratives change, the rules don't. Learn keys and backups before you touch dollars. Practice on small amounts. Treat security like your phone passcode, only with real money on the line. Final thought. Patience. Bitcoin rewards curiosity, discipline, and a long timeline. Curiosity, discipline, long timeline. If that sounds boring, cool. Thanks for hanging out. Stay curious.